Hello everyone and welcome to 3171 Oak Shadow Lane in Pensacola, Florida. We are in the 32504 today. I'm going to be showing you a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home spanning over 1,700 square feet. It is located at the end of a cul-de-sac in Enclave East, an adorable neighborhood with lots of cute houses that have great curb appeal. Here is the end of the cul-de-sac, and here is the property. We are right off Spanish Trail in Pensacola, so super central to a lot of things. You're close to the airport, but you're also about 20 minutes from Pensacola Beach. The home does have a 2-car garage as well as the paver driveway. It does have a whole home generator. It's got a 6-year-old HVAC and roof, and the gas water heater is only 1 year old. Does have an updated electrical panel as well, and a great outdoor living space. Okay, coming inside to the foyer, you do have tile wood look flooring and then carpet in the living room. So situated on this side of the house right when you walk in is 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, a laundry area, as well as garage access. But I need to start out with this fully updated kitchen to show you guys because it is truly a masterpiece. You've got absolutely beautiful white shaker cabinetry that goes up to the ceiling. There is so much storage in this kitchen. So you do have soft close cabinetry, but you've also got a very cool coffee bar built in. And these doors can push back. So it can be flush and the door doesn't have to stick out when that is in use. It does also have a hidden TV cabinet, and this TV does convey. And same thing with the cabinets here. Just such a cool feature. Okay, and then in addition, you do also have these cafe appliances. GE Café double oven range with convection oven and cooktop. And then you have a GE Café microwave with convection baking and air fry features. Beautiful quartz countertops, backsplash. This is another cool feature with the cabinetry. This can pull directly out. And then you do have a large, deep workstation sink with touch control faucets. And this beautiful, beautiful breakfast bar that expands out into the kitchen. You've got lights underneath the cabinetry. And once again, just so much storage. So much thought went into this updated kitchen, and it shows it is beautiful, but it's also just very, very functional. And you do have the updated appliances, white to go along with the cabinetry. And then you do have this adorable little dining nook with the large window overlooking the front yard. Okay, coming into the living room, you do have very high vaulted ceilings in here, recessed lighting for added lighting. Got some windows looking out. One is into the backyard. Got the arched windows for some added texture. And then you do have a gas fireplace that really is the focal point of the room. These windows are equipped with interior shutters. And here is another overview of the living room. There is a picture light here for art, and then you've got these really nice plant ledges as well for added decor. Let me take you into the backyard. It truly is an extension of the living area. right. Out back, you do have a large screen birdcage lanai with a sunsetter powered retractable awning. So you can be in the shade even when the sun is out. And this lanai does have a great amount of depth to it. Like I said, truly an extension of the living area. And then you do also have this covered area here that is equipped with a ceiling fan to help keep you cool in the summer months. You do have a backyard space as well. You've got landscaping with the pine straw and the pavers, and then the rest is the synthetic turf. So you've got very little lawn maintenance. Here is the side of the house. And then this does go all the way around, so you have hidden storage for things like your pots, your soil, anything that you would want hidden. Pavers are continued from the front driveway, so it's very cohesive and just a great place for entertaining or relaxing. All right, back in the main living area, we will go into the primary bedroom. You've got these really pretty archways along with some plant ledges in here as well. So here's kind of your landing zone as you enter the bedroom. Once again, this beautiful archway. You do have a walk-in closet equipped with the wired shelving. And just across the way is the ensuite bathroom. We do have the tile in here. You've got a double vanity lighting. You do have a window for some added brightness in here. There is a partition wall for the commode. And we see these cool plant ledges again being put to good use. The shower has been updated about 6 months ago. It is a tiled standing shower. This wall is reinforced if you did want to add glass doors. You got a nice bright window there for added lighting. And you do have the handlebars for added safety. Coming into the primary bedroom, do have 2 single windows here adding in light. And once again, you've got great high ceilings in here. Nice vaulted ceiling along with the plant ledges. Nice clean carpet. And here is an overview of the room from the window side. This primary bedroom is split, so you've got privacy. And then this is a window just in what I'm calling the landing zone into the room, and it does overlook into the lanai. Alrighty, I'll take you to the other end of the house, to the other bedrooms. As you can see, you've got the foyer area at the front door, you've got the glass panes on the side. Looks like it is equipped with some blinds for added privacy. Very, very cool. All right. Coming into the first full bathroom, not the first, but for these 2 bedrooms, this is the full bathroom. You do have a single vanity, got a lot of under-sink storage, bright vanity lighting, high ceilings. And then in here you do have a tub shower combo. Here is the second bedroom we'll be looking at. All the bedrooms do have carpet. You've got a single window, your closet right there through the bifold doors, and a ceiling fan with the cane pattern. Here is your laundry room. You've got your washer dryer hookups, wire shelving, and access to the 2-car garage. And here is the third bedroom. Very similar to the one we just looked at. I believe it's quite that and just flipped. You've got your closet through the bifold doors, ceiling fan, and a single window. Alrighty guys, once again, this is 3171 Oak Shadow Lane in Pensacola, Florida. We've got a lot of updates throughout. 6-year-old HVAC, 6-year-old water heater, 6-year-old HVAC and roof, and then a 1-year-old water heater. So a lot of big ticket items are already done. You've got this gorgeous kitchen, even more storage underneath the breakfast bar. Don't know how we missed that, but there's just so many great features throughout this property. Alrighty guys, come check out 3171 Oak Shadow Lane.